let me show you how to use every attachment for your full HD action camera. First, maybe let's start with how to mount it on a helmet, because that actually covers a lot of basics on how to use it. And when you get your camera, it actually comes with tons of different accessories. By the way, if you are looking to get this camera for the cheapest price possible, simply check out the special discount links. Personally, I actually paid like $8 for mine from AliExpress, and that also is free shipping and directly from the manufacturer who makes it. Again, it includes all the kit you are seeing here. So for this price, I think that's absolutely insane what we are getting. So for this process, we are basically going to use only these. So let's leave these aside. So we're going to take a strap here, also this mount here, this one, so essentially this can be inserted here inside, also one of these, and also this small cage here. So first we can simply take our camera here and insert basically in our cage here. As you see, you can mount it then pretty much anywhere. Then next, simply let's use this. Okay, so it should be in this direction here. Next we can simply screw this out here, and I suggest you to actually insert this over here. It actually takes a bit of effort to push it in, so like this, and see, simply insert this inside here and screw it down with this. So make sure it's fairly tight. So you see, you can actually easily adjust now our angle here as well and tighten as needed. And then to install on your helmet, there are two different ways. First, as you see, you actually have a sticker basically, so you can actually peel this off and actually stick directly. But if your helmet actually has got a holes like this, I highly suggest you to actually use a strap method, as obviously we can easily remove it afterwards. This is kind of more like permanent solution. So yeah, and also I think the straps are also more secure, so if you bang it somewhere, basically your camera, it might also like go off or something like that. So what we are going to do is we are simply going to take this strap here, so loop it like this through here, and make sure this side of the closer is positioned like this up, you see. Okay, let's loop it over here, so you see how it looks like, and then we can pretty much attach it anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to loop it through my helmet holes here on the other side. So I'm going to loop it basically through till it comes out here. And you see what I'm doing here. So I'm simply taking this, pushing it through here, tightening properly. So tighten just as you need, adjust the location before you like close it. So this seems okay. So maybe like put some pressure here, then simply literally close it. Okay, need a bit more pressure, and see, we have successfully mounted our helmet on our camera. Absolutely awesome. And then let's check out all other accessories. So again, inside the box you also get two more kinds of straps, so smaller one and also a bit longer one as well. So also you get this attachment over here, which can be used essentially to basically shift your camera 90 degrees. So you see, if I actually insert it here, so obviously put it through there, for example, you see, I can then use this attachment over here, and you see I can essentially flip it 90 degrees with this attachment over here. Also we have this, which goes together with this one, and also these two. Okay, so essentially two of these, and we can use these to mount it maybe on a like bicycle handlebar. So let me show you. So you see, if I put it like this, screw it down. Okay, then as you see, we can pretty much mount it anywhere. So again, literally maybe on a bicycle handlebar. So we are going to simply use two of these to simply screw it down. So yeah, absolutely awesome. And at any time we can actually like release this a bit to change the angle, and then tighten it properly to lock the angle so it's secure. And then also let's check out our waterproof case. So you see you have mount as well for the waterproof case here. So again, you can use any of these attachments with this case as well. So let's take our camera out of this case. And to open up basically this, we have to actually pull this lever down and at the same time like lift up from this side. So not from this side, but actually from this side. So you see I'm pulling this lever and lifting up to release it. As you see, you have actually totally waterproof case here. So once it's closed, it's actually waterproof. And also you see you have very nice buttons here, so you can actually use it kind of underwater as well. So to start, stop, like record video. So yeah, absolutely awesome. So insert, observe where you have your lens, and let's put it there essentially. And then simply close your case. And also when you close, also do this several times to basically create a good seal. And also some air actually wants to come out a bit as well when you actually push this. So again, and then you see on the edge you have this tiny lip here. So we are going to use this, hook it like this, and simply click into place. So we're going to release it, pull this down, and with this finger from this side lift it up. So we're going to close it, and job done. And then again we can use our camera. So you see, for example, if I hold the front button, that will turn on the camera, and we can obviously start recording as well. Obviously we can't charge this camera while it's in the case, but as you see, you can do pretty much everything else here. And yeah, overall I think this tiny camera is absolutely awesome. Again, if you want to get this camera for the cheapest price possible, simply check out those special discount links in the description and comments. Again, for this price, with free shipping, so directly from the manufacturer who makes it, with all this kit, I think that's absolutely insane what we are getting here. Good luck.